you doing? My name is Chad with Dry Zone Basin Systems. On this job right here, we're doing a full perimeter waterproofing system. You'll see these walls. Now these are called Fieldstone walls. The reason why we like to wrap these walls and put our system in the floor is this mortar over time starts to flake off and just dust. And it always leaves little joints and little cracks where water can flow through. Also, at the bottom, there's all water all over the ground here. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna jack up all this floor. We're gonna put in our system. And once we get our system in, we're gonna fully encapsulate these walls. It comes all the way down and it tucks right into our system. So in due time, if any water comes off this wall, it will dribble down, follow our CleanSpace right into our WaterGuard, and then it will flow all the way to the sump.